Well, this is our final day on Hawaii and our last day in the Big Island. We fly out tonight, Delta, whoop whoop, we love Delta, at 10 o'clock. We are going to check out the cave. It's 91 degrees, but inside the cave it should be pretty cold actually. So there's no tours, there's no lights in there. This is one of those kind of lava tubes that are more untouched, which we think is kind of cooler. So we can kind of just explore on our own.
The Kawamana lava tube was created in 1881 from the flow of Mauna Loa. It's a 25-mile long lava tube, but only 2 miles are accessible to the public. A lava tube, which is also known as a lava cave, is a natural conduit formed by flowing lava which moves beneath the hardened surface of a lava flow. In this case, the rock has cooled and left a long cave. There can be a series of smaller tubes within the lava cave. In this case, we were able to see 2 small sections.
Pretty far in the one direction, probably about 150 yards, 200 yards maybe on the one side. The other side was kind of a bust. Only got about 35, 40 yards on the other side, but definitely cool. Reminded me of Mammoth Caves a little bit, and the mines up in Quincy, but this one's unique obviously because it is from a lava tube, not man-made. So that was pretty awesome. Seeing the different lava formations inside the tube, some smooth, some rough cut, and seeing different shelves that were carved out by the lava. So yeah, it was an awesome little excursion there. Good way to finish off the trip.
We're not done yet.
Well, we're not done yet, but we're close.
Before packing up our Airbnb in Volcano, we went to the Pineapple Shack to get some ice cream. The purple swirl is actually sweet potato soft serve, and it was weird, but surprisingly delicious.
This is the outside. It's super cute, little garden. There's the stairs to go up. We have a cute little outdoor patio, like a little living space. Very cute little treehouse in the jungle. Drove from our Airbnb in Volcano and ventured over to Hilo in hopes of our helicopter ride. That was canceled again. So we're really thankful we were able to get some of our tour in yesterday, but unfortunately we did not have a chance to see the waterfalls from the sky. So kind of bummed out, but still thankful we got to get some of it in at least.
We ventured to another black sand beach in hopes to find more sea turtles, but instead all we found was a rainstorm. However, we did come across some nenes, Greg's favorite Hawaiian bird.
Flight of 2. That'd be a long day.
Outdoor airport.
2 flights is better than 3.
2 flights is way better than 3. You got that right.
Mahalo, Hawaii. Thank you for the great adventures. Thanks for watching Quantifiable Adventures. Like and subscribe to see where we'll be next.